How to use FaceTime on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use FaceTime on your iPhone. This is a beginner guide, so if you are new to FaceTime or just want to learn more about its feature, you are in the right place. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, let's locate the FaceTime app. It look like this, bright green with a little video camera icon. And if you can't find it, just swipe down on your home screen and type FaceTime in the search bar and simply open it. And once you are in the app, you will notice it's super simple. At the top left corner, there is an edit button that lets you delete old FaceTime call logs if you want to clear things up. And next, we have the Create Link button. This is an awesome feature that lets you generate a FaceTime link. You can send this link to anyone whether they are on iPhone, Android, or even in a Windows device. Just copy the link and share it with them. It's that easy. And after that, now let's make a FaceTime call. Tap on New FaceTime and enter the person phone number or their name if they are in your contacts. If they have FaceTime, you will see their name pop up and you can tap it to start the call. And after that, as you can see, a list of recent calls. You can tap on any of them to quickly join a call again. And once you are on the FaceTime call, you will notice a few controls. At the top, you can see a speaker button. By tapping on that, you can switch between headphones and speakers by adjusting the audio setting. And after that, you can see the microphone icon. By tapping on that, you can mute yourself on the video. And you can also see the camera icon, which helps you to turn off your video. You can also share your screen or use Share Play to watch videos or share content with other person in real time. Such a cool feature. And if you want to add some font to your calls, you can tap on Filter button, and after that you can apply filters, effects, or even switch between the front and back cameras by tapping the camera flip button in the bottom corner. And when you are done, you can simply tap on the X button to hang up. It's that simple. FaceTime is just like a phone call but with the video. And that's it, your complete beginner guide to FaceTime. If this was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.